Hi, I'm Millie Prudence Taylor, a Yankee farm girl living in the city of Lowell, Massachusetts, and this is my morning routine. Dearest Mother, I apologize for not writing sooner. I hope everyone is doing well. The glorious sound of the morning bells chime in to wake us up. We all gracefully get up from our cozy beds and make our way to the mills. I quickly commence work. The pleasant sound of the rhythmic looms fill my ears. At last, it is 6 o'clock and time for breakfast. We get a generous 30 minutes to get from the factory to the boarding houses. I make sure I say my greetings to all the other girls on my walk back. Mrs. Brown, our housekeeper, has our breakfast made for us as we walk in. Today she made a lovely cranberry pie with coffee. Mealtime is a little different than on the farm. People may say that we lose our manners in the boarding house, but I find it a rather refined experience. But the 30 minutes they give us is plenty of time to do our business. And when we take ill, it should comfort you to know that Father John takes care of us all. The charming noise of the 6:20 bells. We all head back to the factory to commence work at 6:30. I make sure to retie my hair and stay clear of any flying shuttles coming my way. I start the machines and commence work until dinner time. People say there's something different about this city. For me, it's just something in the air. I repeat this every morning. It's not bad, Mother. The clanging bells provide the music to my day, and the constant state of hurry, the noisy clatter of the machines bring opportunity to all of us girls. I hope to write again soon. Love, Millie Prudence Taylor, Lowell, Massachusetts.